Tomorrow is presentation day at school. Deniz was lying in bed trying to fall asleep. He was sleepy, but a thought seemed to be stuck to his mind, and yet some thoughts simply arrive on their own, just like a heartbeat.
What if you forget everything tomorrow?
A thought had come into Deniz's mind, like an uninvited guest. Deniz tried to chase it away. But thoughts grow the more you chase them. There was 1, then 3, then 5. Deniz hid under the blanket.
Deniz, my dear, come, let me show you something. Our heart beats on its own. Your tummy rumbles on its own, doesn't it? Well, our mind works just the same. It makes thoughts all by itself, and that is perfectly normal. Stop! But why did it speed up? You see, the more you fight it, the faster it goes. But here's the good news. We don't have to buy every product the factory makes. What if I forget? Just look, beyond the glass. Now, don't look at the writing on the window. Look at the world behind it.
The writing is still there, but now you are looking at life.
Look, the lights are shining. People are out for a stroll. The writing is still there, but you are looking at life now. You don't need to wipe it away.
Sometimes thoughts are like uninvited guests. Right in the middle of the fun, in they barge. Deniz tried to push it out the door, but look, the cloud bounced right off, poof, and came back even bigger. This time, Deniz started arguing with the cloud, but while he argued, time kept slipping away. The candles on the cake were burning, but Deniz was stuck by the window. Look, how fast the clock is spinning.
Chasing it away didn't work, and neither did talking to it for hours. So what do? You go on with your party. You can sit over there.
As they played, the gray cloud, getting no attention at all, began to shrink. It gave a tiny yawn, got bored, and quietly drifted out the window.
What if you forget?
Hello, thought? You can come along? I'm getting on with my day.
Thoughts are like clouds in the sky. They come and they go. Some are gray, some shine like gold, but every one of them is just a thought, and you keep on walking anyway.
Everyone, today I'm going to tell you about the winds.
Thoughts are like the clouds, they come and they go. Don't fight them, just let them drift on by. My heart beats on its own, my mind thinks its thoughts. I'll keep on playing my game, oh life is beautiful.